My Panasonic rechargeable shaver, which I bought 6 years ago, seems to not charge well. This is a wet and dry Panasonic shaver I got from Japan on all my trips. This is the model number. It's not so clear. ES-TSFN. That's the model number. So all you need are simple tools and probably like 15 minutes of your time. So you need some small screwdriver, which I used from a couple of my projects before, a Phillips type, and a flat head. So I, for ease of recording, I already took some of the screws. So the first thing you need to do is to remove the tiny screw at the bottom right there. So this is the one. Alright, so you have to organize your screws. So, and you pull it out, the first step, and the second one, pry it open, and you collect the parts like so. Then you will have 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are the ones. Okay, so again, collect your screws so you will be organized when you put them back. And then there are 2 rubber moldings or cover on the body of the near the head of the screw, which you use the flathead screwdriver to pry them open and collect them accordingly and put them on another side like so. So it's hard to video with one hand, but just bear with me. So of course, let's put this stand here. Put the glass. Okay. Of course, you have to remove the cover of the shaver, pull it out. You have to clean this regularly or daily if you haven't been pull it out. I've had the chance to replace the blades already, so there's nothing to it. Simply pull it out at the edge so you won't cut yourself. And then there are 2 tiny screws on the top of the head as well, which I've already pre-removed. And then we're almost done. Of course, I have to remove the the one remaining, which I partially placed to fast track this video. Again, put everything together, and then once you pry it is open, it simply takes apart like so. And the good thing with the newer ones, and like the YouTube video I saw, the older ones were soldered. This one is the new lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Take note of the orientation, so when you replace it with the new one, I already purchased the same one. It's the lithium-ion battery, 680 milliamperes. Okay, so best to have this shaver discharged before you put a new one in. And of course, you have to clean with alcohol and a little Q-tip or cotton bud applicator. Clean the connectors really well, which I've already done. And might ask it, you might want to clean your shaver. Some hairs get trapped with juice. So putting it back is another thing. Remember the orientation of the battery. The negative is top and the bottom is the bottom. Put the body again. Okay, and simply put it back in reverse. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you get to replace yours as well. I wasn't sure if this was a difficult fix, so I ended up buying a new one in Japan with those bells and whistles. They have the new one which just like a cleaning station and charging station as well. It does come with a cleaning solution to sanitize your shaver, so every time you shave it's pretty safe. But you know, with my been using Panasonic products for such a long time, maybe over 20 years, just differs in model. I find the Panasonic the most reliable. I know there are a lot of good brands out there, but this is a pretty solid one. Thank you for watching again.